Time for the hot topics, folks.
All right, what's going on? You know, dance to this. Hey, we need a dance every time the hot topic comes. Something nice and cool.
We'll wait on your birthday.
Okay.
We'll choreograph one.
Reminding everybody, the hottest topic is that I am working on a Wednesday, August 19.
It's your birthday.
It's my birthday.
Yep.
So I'm asking all the viewers to start sending in your special gifts as of tomorrow. And we'll hold them at the front desk.
Come on, how many more Wednesdays are there before August?
Before my birthday? Tell me, Kaiv.
So they will just send the gifts on a Wednesday so you get them. So we don't want to send it on a Monday.
No, we want everything to reach by August 19th.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, but 2 Wednesdays before August 19th, so send them on a Wednesday. What's the first hot topic?
Schools brace for September online hurdle. Oh my gosh. People, 1/3 of respondents in the Don Anderson Market Research Services poll have found favor in online teaching based on their review and observation of their children's experience. Oh boy. The poll conducted between July 15 and 20 among 1,050 respondents aged 18 and older found that 19% were not favorably disposed to the method, while 48% had no opinion on the issue and had no children in school and did not feel competent to respond. So the principal, however, of George Headley Primary School, Aretha Willie, told the Gleaner recently that the feedback she has received from teachers show that students were eager in the initial stages but lost interest as the term wore on. Yeah.
Which is a concern.
September.
Yeah, because come September, you remember when the online learning started, most parents were at home, so you could monitor.
And that was hard because if you were working and at home and trying to monitor, it was frustrating.
But now that a lot of folks have gone back to work, who's going to monitor these youngsters, which is what some of the educators are saying. I'm still concerned about the numbers of youngsters who do not have internet service.
Reliable.
Yeah, so online teaching for some will be brilliant and for some will be non-existent. That is my concern. I'm happy I'm not in the position to decide what to do here.
Well, coming September, we will be taking a hybrid approach to online to learning. It will be online and face-to-face.
But everybody's a little nervous. The teachers are a little nervous. The
Everybody's
parents are nervous to send back the kids. The kids are. I think the kids want to go back because they miss their friends and they miss the interaction and stuff. But
and I've spoken to some kids who have said, "Oh no, I'm much happier just." And I'm like, really?
Yeah.
I can't say it's the same for my child.
Yeah.
But
all right.
Yeah.
Let's see, and I pray it will work
Let's
out
pray
for
it works
everyone.
out. Yeah, but it's been an unsettling time for everybody. All right. 82,000 applications have been processed for entry into Jamaica. 31,000 residents and 51,000 non-residents and visitors have been processed using the Jam COVID and Visit Jamaica websites. People, this is the thing. It's a very, well, according to the Prime Minister, this controlled entry process has served Jamaica very well. However, there is a warning from the Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. Christopher Tufton, urging our residents and visitors to follow the home quarantine measures set out by the government with the reopening of our ports of entry. Basically, you got to stay home. The minister stated that Jamaicans who have returned to the country have failed to follow quarantine measures currently, and they're the ones who make up a number of COVID-19 cases.
Here's the issue I have with that. All right, if you don't want to follow the guidelines and you feel you're all right with that, fine, but you are putting others at risk, including your own family, whether you like it or not. I was telling the story of a St. Vincent and the Grenadines resident who went back in and the family said, you can't come home. And everybody was saying, no, how foolish is that the family do, and the Prime Minister actually supported the family and said they had an elderly grandmother there. And they said, well, go quarantine somewhere else, you can't come home. So when you do what you think you do and you say, all right, and everything, you are actually hurting others, including your family. So be careful. What's the next one?
Gunmen robbed $3.2 million from a JN money shop in Westmoreland. Wow. Terrible. But hey, the picture captured this terrible situation.
Must be really scary.
On a closed circuit television footage, we saw the robbery in the money shop in White House, Westmoreland. Ah, boy, they stole the security guard's firearm. Boy, look at that footage there. And the gunman fled the scene in a stolen taxi.
Can you put up back that picture? I mean, look at that. I think it's a lady under the desk there. I mean, how scared would she be at that time? You can't see anything. You know they have guns. You're not certain if what they're gonna do after they take all the money. Oh man, Jamaica. $3.2 million. The great news in all of that is no one got hurt. No one was killed. I think the security guard was hurt. And I think they took away his firearm, as Empress said. Whew. Next one.
We're hearing that cup noodles are missing in the wholesales. There's a shortage, people. People are looking for cup noodles. There's a shortage. Wholesalers are saying they can't source it due to the COVID-19. So everyone may say, grow something. Grow the pumpkin and make pumpkin soup instead.
You can't grow the noodle them.
How do you make noodles?
I don't know. I ask.
No, they're noodle machines. People make it.
You have it under control. So
No, I don't know how to make it, but I'm hearing there's a shortage out there. But anyway, that means you got to eat something else. And guess what, people? The good thing is maybe it will force us to create our own local noodle, because that's a foreign noodle. Yeah, something we import, and we have to keep focusing on building Jamaica, growing what you eat, grow Jamaica, eat Jamaica. And so, hey, there's a shortage. It could be a good thing for us. Find something else for yam.
Yeah.
That is the message right now.
I just want to tell everybody that my 2 trees are beautiful.
Which trees?
The trees in my yard, I have 2 trees in my yard. I tell the people about, and they are just lovely, jubbly.
Ganja trees.
We have 2 trees. You're a police officer?
No, I'm just saying people need to grow ganja too.
Yeah, well, you're allowed to grow 5 plants. You're allowed to grow 5 plants.
And I should say that we need to look into.
Your farm have that too?
Huh? Medical marijuana is where we're heading. And I realized, I saw something, thanks to Itopia's post the other day to me, shared with me a online university course in cannabis out of South Africa. And we really need to open our eyes and say, who's running this business? Is it you or is it them? Let's get smart. Let's build our economy, and let's work with what we know, what's indigenous to us, and what we have made popular globally. Let us own it, right?
All right. What are the nutritional benefits of plantains? When we come back, we will tell you about that, but we will head to the Smile Kitchen to answer that. But before all of that, we have news in 5. So stay with us, please. We soon come.